Welcome to the video tutorial for inverter installation. This tutorial uses Sun 2000 3K through 6K LB0 as an example. This tutorial demonstrates how to install the inverter hardware and connect cables. Before installation, open the packing case. Ensure that all items are complete. Cables to be repaired by the customer. Determine an appropriate installation position that can sustain the weight of the inverter and meet the clearance requirements. The inverter can be mounted on a wall or a support. The video uses support mounting as an example. Determine the positions for drilling holes using the marking off plate and then mark the positions with a marker. Secure the mounting bracket. Install the inverter on the mounting bracket. Tighten bolt assemblies. The installation is complete. Get familiar with the inverter and its wiring areas. Let's start from the inverter. Connect DC power cables to the PV module and battery. Connect AC power cables to the load and EMA. Connect signal cables to devices such as battery and EMA. Let's start from the inverter. Install the smart dongle to the inverter. Connect DC power cables to the PV module and battery. Connect AC power cables to the AC distribution unit. Connect signal cables to devices such as battery and power meter. Let's start from the inverter. Connect DC power cables to the PV module and battery. Connect AC power cables to the smart card. Connect signal cables to devices such as battery and smart card. Before connecting cables, ensure that the device switches are off. Prepare a PE cable. Connect PE cable. Prepare an AC power cable. Install the AC power cable. Connect the AC connector to the AC output port. Secure the AC connector. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. Prepare a DC input power cable. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage and ensure that the polarities are correct. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect DC power cables. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect battery cables. Connect the other end of the battery. Prepare a signal cable. Disassemble the signal cable connector. Route the signal cable through the locking cap and then the waterproof rubber plug. Insert the wires into the corresponding pins of the terminal and secure the wires. Remove dust-proof caps. Connect the signal cable connector to the COM port. Secure the signal cable connector. Connect the inverter to the EMMA. Connect the EMMA and battery to the inverter. Connect the inverter to the power meter. Connect the power meter and battery to the inverter. Connect the inverter to the smart card. Connect the inverter to the smart card and battery. Take the 4G smart dongle as an example. For FE communication, install the WLAN FE smart dongle. Insert the SIM card. Check that the snap fits on both sides are secured. Install the smart dongle to the inverter. Install an anti-theft component for the smart dongle. Remove the watertight cap from the ANT port. Install the washer to the ANT port on the device. Install the WLAN antenna. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the AC switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Scan the QR code on the smart card to create a plan. The inverter is powered on and running properly.